morning, guys. Welcome to episode 17 of how we build 5-story building here in Aventura. Today is pouring day. We are pouring concrete on the tie beams of the second floor. Last episode I show you how we were putting columns, side columns, and then during these past 2 weeks we formed all the tie beams. As you can see here, we were forming tie beams, putting rebar inside, and preparing everything to be poured. And today we are pouring concrete inside the tie beam. This tie beam has also the embedded plate, metal plate. That is where the metal beams are going to be welded, forming the third floor subfloor or structure or framing. And then in the next episode I'm going to show you how we install these beams. That is going to be the floor for the third floor. Right now we are finishing putting concrete tie beams, second floor, and then we keep going. I remember you guys to please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. That way you can have update on how we build this 5-story building. Thanks for watching.